It's hair time. Bring out your tools and begin to work your black girl magic.
Hi guys, how's it going? Today we are going to do Bantu knots. Let's just get right into the tutorial. For this you'll need gel, any gel of choice, echo, whatever. But just get your hair slicked down. Then I pre-parted my hair because I wanted this to have some type of layers. I feel like this is going to be too full, but I really don't mind. So let me turn around and show you guys. So that's the roll it. Your twisting doesn't have to be all the way down. So once you're done with this, what you want to do is go in there and start rolling it at the root. Don't make this too tight because you're going to end up regretting it, I promise. So here you go. It's very straightforward, it's easy, it's something you can do. And I trust that you can actually do this. If you don't know how to twist, watch this video right here to learn how to twist. So split this in half, two pieces like this. Then you take your extension and place in the middle of the twist. And you just go in and start twisting it like so. You can decide to make your parts larger than this and it will still work. If your part is larger, use a larger extension to fit in. I have less than 1 hour to finish this.